Well, folks, on this version of what I got myself into, basically, did a little bit of work to the old camper, I guess you can call it. If you can't notice it, that wall is down over here. I really don't know what that was, but it was a shelf for something. That wall back there that I'm looking at it and see that the other time I was in here, but it's basically junk. Roof's junk. In this fun time, basically a lot of insulation is gone. Don't know how that happened. I suspect over the years, I'm gonna guess that the roof was someone tried to fix the roof at one point in time, because screws, this and that, and all kinds of other stuff, and somehow or another the skylight on this side it ended up underneath the roof paneling, or whatever you want to call this stuff. But yeah, I basically came in here